Hey everyone, this is Mayur. Welcome back to ML Works. In this video, we'll try to understand what is Tf-Idf and how it helps in machine learning and information retrieval. So let's understand what is Tf-Idf. The abbreviation represents the term frequency hyphen inverse document frequency. The whole concept behind term frequency ID inverse document frequency is to find the importance or relevant words in your document and quantify that using some metric. Now, term frequency, as the name suggests, it is nothing but the count of the word that is appearing in your document relative to the collection of documents that you have. Now, there is another way to represent the same term frequency. You can adjust it based on the number of other words that are present in the document. Okay, so with that, you can normalize your specific word. Okay, so that is one way of representing the term frequency. Now, when it comes to IDF, it is the whole point of IDF is to identify how common the particular word is in the document compared along with the collection of documents that you have. Now, T is the term or word they are looking to measure the commonness, and N is the number of documents in the corpus. Now, in the formula that is given, IDF of T comma D, is equal to log of N, which is the number of documents, count of small d belongs to capital D. Capital D represents the whole collection of documents, the whole corpus. D is the document where this particular term is present. Okay, so this is the whole formula for IDF. So it tells you the specific term, how common it is occurring across the all the documents. Why IDF is so it provides less importance or relevance to the words like of, the, as, on, is. So these are the kind of stop words in NLP which is called as stop words in NLP as they appear in all the documents. So you want to provide less weight to these kind of words. So that's why we bring in something called as IDF. So if you see in the definition here, we can minimize the weighting of frequent terms while making infrequent terms having higher impact. Okay, so we try to provide less importance to words which are appearing across all the documents and try to bring out rare words out of all the documents. So that's the key idea behind IDF. So what is the key intuition and motivation behind TF-IDF is to the importance of a term is inversely related to the frequency across documents and gives us information how often a term appears in a document. Okay. And IDF gives us information about the relative rarity of a term in a collection of documents. So as I said earlier, it's like weighting the importance or giving relevance to the rare words and identifying them from the collection of documents. Okay, so that's the whole point here. So the whole formula is nothing but TF T comma T dot D into IDF T comma capital D. Capital D is nothing but the whole collection of documents, that is your corpus. D is nothing but the number of documents the term is present in, small d. Okay. So the higher the score of TF-IDF, the more important the word is or the term is. So when to use TF-IDF? So in machine learning, consider you have a sentence in NLP. Okay, you want to identify which are the important terms. So consider there is a two sentence: the cat chased rat and the dog chased rat. Okay, so in this scenario, the word is appearing in both the cases, in case A and case B. So its term frequency is 1 by 4. Okay, 1 is the word, the appearing once, and the rest of the words total count is 4. Okay. Similarly, in the second case, the dog chased rat. Okay, so that's based on the term frequency, we get 1 by 4, 1 by 4 in both the cases for the word the. And in the first sentence or the case A, the cat is appearing once, and in case B, it is not appearing, so it is 0. The same goes for the word dog. And similarly for chased and rat. Okay, they are appearing in both the sentences, so it is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Now you calculate IDF. Okay, So since it is appearing in both the documents, okay, it is 2 by 2 is equal to 0 log of, okay, log of 2 by 1 it is 0.3. Similarly for dog board, IDF is equal to log of 2 by 1, the same thing 0.3, and the rest is 0. Now we score tf.idf and we give more importance if based on these scores. Okay, tf.idf scores, what we see is the more importance is given to word cat and dog. Though since in this case in these two sentences, okay, the other words are appearing both the sentences. That's why the more importance is given to the word which is appearing rarely, which is cat and dog. So similarly, since Tf-Idf is used for identifying key terms, so it is also used by search engines like Elasticsearch, Solar, okay, where what you can do is when you're searching a specific term, so it will go on pick documents, okay, since these are like specific key terms, okay, it will try to pick those key terms from the documents as well. So this will act in such a scenario where you want to retrieve the information from the collection of documents. And similarly, also in keyword extraction as well, we can use Tf-Idf because the whole point of Tf-Idf is to find out important and relevant words in a sentence. So I hope you got it, what I've been explaining for the last 4 5 minutes. Okay, so Tf-Idf is nothing but a concept or a technique to identify important and relevant words in your text or your documents. So this is with respect to, this is a simple approach, okay, when it compares to other advanced approaches for information retrieval, okay, or finding relevant words from a document. This is a simple approach. There are other algorithms like BM25, BM42, so which are also used for retrieving documents or retrieving information from documents. So we'll see that in the next video. So in this video, we'll conclude here. Thank you so much.